Hi, today we are going to see how to use Google DNS. Google DNS is a domain name system that offered to internet users worldwide by Google for making the web faster and more secure. So first of all, search in your computer control panel. From here, go to Network and Internet. After that, go to Network and Sharing Center. Here, you have to click on Change Adapter Setting. On your Wi-Fi, right click and click on Properties. Then you have to select Internet Protocol version TCP IPv4 in Properties. After that, you have to tick on Use the following DNS server address and give the Google DNS server address, which is 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 and click on OK. Then click on Close. Then your computer is ready to go. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.